We're standing in southeastern corner of Fairfax County in a little place called Mason Neck, Virginia. Well, George Mason owned most of the property around here. And when you go back and read some of his readings, he had fisheries there, and he talks about the wildlife that was here on Mason Neck. Our number one mission when we opened the park was to conserve and interpret the natural and historical resources here in this part of the county. It's not unusual to see eagles here in this part of the country, but it was back in the late 60s. The eagles were once on the endangered species list. This group of conservationists, citizen conservationists, came together and saw the importance and the beauty of the nature here on Mason Neck. They wanted to conserve that, not to develop it. The eagle's not listed on the endangered species list anymore. It's a direct result of what those citizens did in the late 60s. So when you come to Mason Neck State Park, not only do you see the wildlife that you get to see, but you also have an opportunity to do picnicking, canoeing, kayaking, bike riding, hiking. We have approximately 9 miles of trails in the park. You got to stop in our visitor center and see some of our interpretive programs, whether it's a pond life program, it's an owl prowl, or whether it's setting up a scope and showing a young person or an adult what it looks like to see an eagle in its natural habitat, to see an eagle scoop down from the trees and to go into the bay and scoop up a fish. That's an impressive sight. Those things that kids and adults don't often get to see. And those things are routine happening here in Mason Neck, and that's what some of our interpreters really point out.